For new recipes, click on the subscribe button and also click on ting 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 the bell button for new updates.
Hi guys, after a long time, welcome to Atri's Home Delicacies. Well, I know I'm uploading a video after a very long time, so since it's a long break, now the recipe has to be something special, right? Yeah, so today I'm uploading one of my favorite recipes, that is super crispy and delicious paneer parathas. Well, this is my favorite recipe and I can eat this at any time, any place, anywhere. So without any further ado, let's check on to the recipe. So here is the first step. So the first step is to make the filling. So for the filling we require chopped onions half cup, chopped coriander leaves 1/4 cup and chopped green chilies 1 tablespoon, chopped garlic 2 tablespoon, scrambled paneer 200 grams, and here I have used homemade paneer. You can get it from store also. So to it we will add chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, chaat masala 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste. Now we will add the chopped onions, garlic and green chilies and the coriander leaves. Now we will mix everything all together and we will mix very finely. And you will see here I have used my hands because it is best when you use your hands in terms of mixing. So yeah, after a good mix we will keep it aside. Now the paneer filling is ready. Now the second step is to make the dough. So for the dough we will need wheat flour around 2 cups. Now we will add refined oil, say about 2 tablespoons. You can use vegetable oil also. Now I am using salt half teaspoon and a lukewarm water about 250 ml approximately. Here you can adjust the water as per your requirement. And now we will gently mix everything with hands and little by little we will add the water. So here please do not add the whole water at a time. Keep adding the water little by little. So again you can say I am adding little water to make the dough. So to prepare the dough it will take about 5 to 6 minutes, and now you can see I am almost in the last stage. After a good massage we will keep this aside and rest for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes we will divide the dough into medium equal size balls, and each ball should be of the size of a roti. And now here I have made about 7 to 8 balls, as you can see here. So now we will sprinkle some flour on the rolling board, and now we will take a ball and coat in the flour, and now we will start rolling. So now we will make a small round first. Now insert 2 tablespoons of paneer filling inside. Now we have to be very careful here because we don't want to overfill. And now slowly we will close the ends. Now just give a little more shape to it, very softly. And now we will again roll finally and give it a good round shape. So the shape will be like the size of a roti, not too big, not too small. Now we will switch on the flame, put on the pan or tawa and let it preheat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will place the parathas, and on medium flame we will cook the parathas from both the sides. We have to be careful here also because we need to cook the parathas each side, and now we will lightly press for even cooking. Now adding 1 teaspoon of oil on one side, frying a little bit and then flip the other side. Now adding 1 teaspoon of oil again on the other side, and now we will keep repeating the process 2 to 3 times on medium flame. Now here you can see parathas is ready to serve, hot and crispy and delicious. Now similarly we will fry the rest of the parathas and enjoy lunch, dinner or breakfast or any point, any time of the day. So yeah guys, this is all for today, and keep watching for more videos. Thank you all for all your love and support. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we will see you the next time. Bye bye.